I'm angry, frustrated, shocked, and surprised how people bet their life savings on meme stocks, dreaming that it will make them millionaire overnight. This needs to stop right now. So here is one of the simplest way you can start building your investment portfolio with no stress. Three-fund investment portfolio. Three-fund portfolio strategy is an investing strategy where you can create a portfolio that only contains three assets. These assets are usually low-cost index funds or ETFs. More specifically, these funds can be broken down into three categories: stocks, bonds, and international stocks. And the way you would structure your investments in these three categories highly depends on your age, your risk tolerance, and your investment horizon. For example, if you are like me and you would like to be more aggressive with your investments, then as per the three-fund portfolio 80-20 rule, you will invest 80% in stocks as well as international stocks and 20% in bonds. And if you would like to be less aggressive, then you will assign equal weightage in terms of your investments to US stocks, international stocks, and bonds. And if you're conservative and would like to just protect your capital, then in that case, you will allocate 80% of your money towards bonds and 20% towards US and international stocks. And this is how you can build your own investment portfolio with great diversification, simple assets allocation at low cost and low risk. Drop a like on this video and follow for more.